Today I'll discuss a little bit about growing this, my experience with this Globba schombergii. It's a very beautiful member of the ginger family. It's called, I think, a dancing girl ginger or something. And I had found this plants growing on the in a very bad location on the national highway and all that. So then I rescued a few plants and I tried them out in various situations. And in this spot, this one shoot is not doing that well, but otherwise, it's this this my compost, vermi compost, what I make in that those bins. That one, along with some laterite gravel, red color laterite gravel. So somewhat dark, well drained, but quite low nutrient soil. It has performed very well, and little bit shade was there, so it has grown a bit tall, looking for the sun. Then new shoots also emerging from the side. It's taking a clump formation. And one of the interesting thing I noticed about this species, it starts seeding and all at the earliest stage itself. It starts off seeding. So I have not succeeded in germinating these seeds, but it starts seeding very early, and I think it is perennial. That I'll know in a few months. Then in another pot I had grown second one sample with very poor soil, just gravel, like bigger sized bigger gravel and some sand. In that also it has survived quite nicely. So it can, the third example also will show there one more. This is the third sample that also came out very well. It is seeded and all. And this one I am growing along with that malaxis. So malaxis also has survived. It has got a new shoot from the side. So this has also taken a nice clump formation. The first it was this size when I started. Now second growth is coming. And here also seeds are found. Then this is the third plant, also very poor soil. So if soil is poor, it will be a bit skinny and tall, lanky. Soil is good, it comes out little better. And wide range of pots also you can put in. Very small pot also it survives. And also the sunlight variation it can tolerate. Little harsher location as well as nice shaded location, and it's a good garden and balcony plant. So far from what I have seen, neither it becomes very tall nor it's very fussy, and it grows in a wider range of climates. It's not such a fussy plant that it will only grow in that coastal region and that rainforest zone. It survives in drier places like Bangalore and all also. I had sent a couple of plants, they have survived well, it seems. So to sum it up, this Globba schombergii is easy to grow, easy to multiply, pretty, hardy, can tolerate various soils, and start seeding in the early stage itself, and looking after is minimum care. You don't have to worry about this one from what I have seen so far. And in the balcony also it survives well. Then one can score I had planted along with it, that also has survived well. It's flowering also, though the flowers open only in the mornings, small pink flowers. That one. Then one grass also I had allowed it to grow in the same pot with this Globba, in this bigger pot. So it's all right to have some small weeds and all growing side by side, because it makes it more natural, and as long as these additional plants don't compete too much or too aggressive, it's a good idea to have some smaller plants in all these side areas. And if you collect new plants and it's easily available and all, then you can do the first trials in planting in this kind of place to see if it survives. So that is about growing, actual growing experience of this Globba schombergii. There's one more here also. In this one, I have grown it with that Scleria lithosperma. It's one of that forest border grass. And even here it has seeds are there. They survived. Here very small seeds also there. So I don't see any flower structure in that.